So, dear students, so today I'll be explaining pedal equation, which is difficult for most of the students. Okay, but I'll try to explain everything in a crystal clear fashion so that it will be very useful for your engineering exam. So don't miss this. Yeah, so watch it carefully. I'm just going to share the screen. Yes. And as I told you, the pedal equation of a polar curve, something like this, the flow chart will be given, correct? And then P is equal to R sine phi, 1 by P square is equal to 1 by R square cos 6 square phi. So all of those things, there'll be a lot of confusion for everyone on what to do. Okay. So when you get the question, so first step, always the objective is what? To eliminate or to remove theta. Theta should not be there in the answer. Okay, and then we'll do the first question. 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Just like the algorithm, step by step process, right? So 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta. First step is what? Take log on both the sides. Second step, differentiating with respect to theta. Okay, and third step, make sure that the LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. So only these things should be there in our mind. So we took this thing, log of 2a by r. Log a by b, what is the formula? Log a minus log b. So log 2a minus log r is equal to log of what? 1 plus cos theta. I got. Clear? Then I'll differentiate with respect to what? Theta. Log a or log 2a is a constant. So differentiation constant is 0. And log r differentiation is what? 1 by r. Then r differentiation with respect to theta is what? d by d theta of r. So that is minus 1 by dr by d theta. This is done. Then this next one, log of 1 plus cos theta. So that is 1 by 1 plus cos theta. Then what is one differentiation? I'm talking about this one. Let me just see whether I can highlight. Yeah. This one, 0. Correct? Notice cosine differentiation minus sin theta. That only I'm putting on the top. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So log 1 plus cos theta differentiation is 1 by 1 plus cos theta. And 1 is 0 and cos theta is minus sin theta. That's it. Then also we know the formula. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. So if it's 2 theta, it will become 1 theta. If it is just theta, it will become theta by 2. Okay, so these are small formulas that we have to remember. And sine 2 theta formula also we know. What is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. So similarly, sine theta is nothing but 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, so suppose if I not understand, just uh, what? Play back the video and you will be able to get it. Cancel all the similar terms and you'll be getting minus tan theta by 2. Okay, now what is 1 by dr by d theta? Cot phi. So this minus and this minus will cancel out each other, 2 minus, and everything you have to do it. Because while listening again, we might get stuck. So 1 by dr by d theta is cot phi, correct? Tan theta by 2. So basically the complementary angles, right? What is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Correct. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sine theta. Similarly, tan theta in terms of cot is what? Cot 90 minus theta is what? Tan theta. Tan theta by 2, what is it? Cot 90 minus theta by 2. So this phi is nothing but pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now coming to the pedal equation. So we'll consider something called P is equal to R sine phi. I hope up to this you're clear, the phi value. And now once we get this phi, I'll put it here. Sine pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Sine 90 minus theta by 2 is cos theta by 2. Correct? Yeah. Now coming back to the question. What is the question? 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Put that thing here. Correct? 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Now what is my p is equal to? R cos theta by 2. So I eliminate what? Theta. So theta should not be there in the question. Correct? Now what I'll do here is P by R. Okay, what is this? P by R. P by R is something but what? Cos theta by 2. So now we'd eliminate theta from what? Equation 1 and equation 2. You can do whatever you want. But end of the day, we'd eliminate what? All the things. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. Put that thing. Okay. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So a by r is equal to what? Cos square theta by 2. But what is my cos theta by 2? P by r. From this equation, you see what is cos theta by 2? This r will come down. P by r. So p square by r square will get. Correct. A by r is equal to p square by r square. Pause it and do it. Then only you will be in the same flow as me. Then cancel 2 or p square is equal to ar or p is equal to root a. This is the required pedal equation. Simple things only. Not at all difficult. Okay. So I hope you understood the first question. Pause the video and then you can do this thing. Okay. So you know, to understand these kind of videos, you have to do 2 to 3 questions. Then only that flow will come, not just one question. Next one, r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2a. So what's our first step? Take log on both the sides. Correct? Log of AB, log A plus log B. So log R plus log 1 minus cos theta. And log 2A. Differentiation of log with respect to constant is 0. So again, I'm differentiating with respect to what? Theta. So first step is take on log on both the sides. Second step is what? Differentiating with respect to theta. Third step, make LHS equal to RHS. Same simple procedure. So 1 by R dr by d theta I'm getting. Yeah. Log R differentiation is 1 by R and R differentiation d by d theta of R. 1 by 1 minus cos theta and 1 differentiation is 0 and cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus minus plus. Suppose if you're not knowing this thing, see, log of this is what? 1 by 1 minus cos theta. And 1 differentiation is what? 0. And what is cos theta differentiation? Minus sin theta. But already one minus is there, no minus minus plus. So that's the reason you have to do it numerator. I hope you understood. Okay, yeah. Now coming to 1 by r dr by dt, that is cot phi. Correct? Cot phi. Okay, yeah. Now cot phi is nothing but what? What is my sin theta? Sin theta is equal to what? And one more thing, guys, I forgot to tell you. Log 2a differentiation 0. Okay. And this plus will go to this side. This plus sin theta will go to this side, it will become minus. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2. Cancel 2 and 2. And sin square and this. Cos by sin, cot theta by 2. So, cot phi is nothing but cot of minus theta by 2. Cancel these two things. Phi is equal to minus theta by 2. So, P is equal to r sin phi. Okay, what is my phi? Minus theta by 2. So what is sine of minus theta minus sin theta? Okay, so P is equal to minus r sin theta by. Now come back to the question. Write down the question again and this. And what is the objective? We eliminate what? We eliminate theta. That's it. So you can do whatever you want, but sin theta should not be there. What is my 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is nothing but the formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay. Yeah. So that will put in 2 and will get cancelled here. So I get this. And what is my sin theta by 2? Minus p by r. Correct? That is substitute. And eliminate theta. Simple as that. I got a pedal equation. Oof. Yeah. Next one, r square is equal to a square sec 2 theta. Again, take log on both the sides. Correct, log r square, 2 log r. Log on both the sides, log r square. Then this is log ab, log a plus log b. Correct, 2 log a plus log sec 2 theta. Differentiation with respect to theta. 2 is constant as it is. Log r differentiation, 1 by r dr by d theta. That's it. 2 log a, this is 0. So it's okay, leave it. And this is 1 by sec 2 theta. And what is Cx differentiation? Cx tan x. So d by dx of sec 2 theta is nothing but what? Sec 2 theta, tan 2 theta. And what is tan 2 theta differentiation? 2 theta differentiation is 2. That's it. So that's how the 2 is coming here. So cancel this 2 and this 2 over here. And 1 by r dr by d theta is cot phi. And tan 2 theta is what? Cot 90 minus 2 theta. I got phi. Write on the same thing, p is equal to r sin phi. Suppose if I'm going fast, reduce the speed. Okay. From normal to, we can reduce the speed to 0.5 or something. Or 0.75. So I got p is equal to r. Whatever phi value I got, I'll put in place of what? This. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. I got cos 2 theta. Correct? Yes. Now write down the question. Equation 1 and equation 2 will eliminate theta. Same procedure only. I'm not doing anything different here. Okay. Same thing only. Now this is pretty much simple. Because what is my cos 2 theta? Sec 2 theta is what? 1 by cos 2 theta, right? Sec 2 theta is what? 1 by cos 2 theta. You can eliminate the thing easily. Okay, 1 by cos 2 theta. But what is my cos 2 theta? P by R. Cos 2 theta is nothing but P by R. Correct? Or if you reverse it, R by V will become what? Sec 2 theta. So instead of the sec 2 theta, you can put R by P and get the required pedal equation by simple substitution. That's all. So it's up to you on how to do it. Need not follow the textbook method itself. But end of the day, answer should be correct. And once you get the answer correct, put it in a block and write it down. Answer. So it will be easy for teachers to give you the full mark, which you deserve. Next one, r power n is equal to a power n cos n theta. Same step only again, I'm telling you. What is the same step again here? Take log on both the sides. Correct. You'll also get bored with this. N log r, n log a plus log cos n theta. Differentiating with respect to theta. That is step number 2. Correct. Yeah. Log a is, this is 0. Let me just take, this is 0 anyway. This is gone. This is 1 by cos n theta. And what is cos n theta differentiation? Minus n sin n theta. Done. Then 1 by d theta cot phi. What is cot 90 plus theta? Cot 90 plus theta. It comes in second quadrant. So minus tan theta. Okay. So if it is n theta, just put plus n theta here. That's it. That's what this is given. Pi by 2 is 90. I got phi. Write down p is equal to r sin phi. Then substitute this phi value here. Sin 90 plus n theta, cos n theta. Got it. Write down the question again. 2 things. Eliminate what? Theta. Very, very simple. If you want, you can just divide the 2 equation. Just divide this thing. Equation 1 by equation 2. Cancel cos and this theta. Correct. So what I'll be getting? If I'm dividing this, p will go this side. Cross multiplication. I got it. Done. This step is enough. This is enough. No need to even write like this. This is enough. Or else if you want, p by r, this r will go this side. So r power n into r. That is r power n. So r power n plus 1. This is also fine. So that's it, guys. So I hope you understood clearly. So have some patience and you write it down, all of these things. And I wish you all the best.